Hi everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis and I welcome you to my channel. We are going to do a Dollar Tree DIY, but we're also going to demo again this cordless marker airbrush that is from We Are Memory Keepers. I did a demo on it recently and I think it bears another demo. You guys were asking about it, really loved it and how it worked. So I thought I would show you how to use it on some Dollar Tree DIY wood frames and some wooden stickers, and then maybe some other papers, just so that you can see how it works with different medium. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, just please subscribe and click the little bell next to the word subscribe, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Also, if you are from my regular YouTube family, thank you so much for joining. I am so glad to have you here. And I just want to give you a great big hug across the way because we can't see each other, but we can share a video. So let's get started. All right, so Leo had to see what was going on. Say hi to everybody. He's here, alive and well, but he just wants some attention. Right, Leo? All right, you gotta go now. Bye. Okay, so let me give you a little rundown of this cordless marker airbrush. I did pick it up from HSN, and I can link it if you need it. It comes with markers, and I did get with the kit extra markers and extra stencils. The original kit just comes with this one stencil, but then I got all these extra ones, and hello and thank you and love. And then markers, and then the other set there. So you got two sets of markers. And the cordless means that you charge it with this USB cord, and it's really easy to use. So I'm going to go ahead and demo this for you and set that aside. Now this is one of the little wood frames that comes from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to take out this little center piece that you put your picture in. And what I want to do is I want to show you how the marker works on this wood. It is phenomenal. So I'm going to use these two blues and maybe a purple. So we'll start with the purple because it's a little darker, and we'll go around the edges with it. You slide the marker into the airbrush, and then it blows out when you push this. So I'm just going to start it, and you can see how cool it does. I'm going to go around the edges on this one, just like that. It's the neatest thing ever, I have to tell you. Okay, then I'm going to put the darker blue and just slide it in there. That's all you do. And so we're going to go around the edges with the darker blue. Okay. And then I'm going to take the lighter blue and go on the inside. This is the most fun tool ever. And we'll just go in the inside with this. And you can do it as much or as little as you want to. And then there we go. I don't know if you can really see how pretty it is. So then I would just take my picture and slide it into the frame. And I have an idea of what I want to do with this, so I'm just gonna maybe do that in a different video. But anyway, and I just slid that in there. It's not actually. It comes with a little peg if you want to use it so that you can prop it up. So that is one. Okay, now we're going to try this little pineapple. I'm going to pull in a little bit closer. Let me fix my camera and bring you in just a tad closer. And I'm going to do this darker green around the inside of this the leaves here. Just like that. So it's darker on the inside. And then I'm going to take the lighter green and do around the edges of the leaves. And make sure I mix it in. Like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take the yellow. I'm going to take the yellow, and I'm going to finish out and maybe do a little brown at the bottom, but I haven't decided quite yet how much I want that to be in there. And I also want to add a little yellow to the leaves up here, so I'm just going to do a little bit. You can see it's adding to that green color. And then I'm going to take this yellow, and I'm going all around the pineapple here. And then there you have this cute pineapple. I think it's adorable. I am going to put a little brown at the bottom. I don't want to do the crisscrosses because I don't know how, with the airbrush, how that would do. This is so fast, you guys. Well, maybe I could just do that. That's kind of cool. There we go. There's the pineapple. Maybe at the bottom a little bit more. So guys, this is so amazing. Okay, then you can just put your picture back in there. This is so fast. Oh my gosh, it's so incredibly fast. All right, the last one that we're gonna paint is this shell. To stop myself, we're not painting, even though it feels like we're painting. This is really just a fun, you know, airbrush. So I think I'm gonna take these three colors, and I'm going to do the purple first, and we'll see. All right, so we're gonna go around the edges with the purple. What do you guys think of this airbrush? I mean, when I demoed it the other day, not that long ago, everyone just loved it. Okay, so we've got that purple around the edge. I'm going to take this blue because I don't have a white marker. So I don't know if a white one, if any other kind of markers would fit in here, but we'll see. This is not painting, but it feels like we're painting. I almost don't know if I want that yellow in there, but maybe just a little. Look how pretty. Maybe pink instead of yellow. What do you guys think? Pink? Let's do the light pink. Pink instead of yellow. I'm gonna make sure I stay on camera here with you. These do have a longer tip. So let's see. Yeah, the pink looks great. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. All right, here are the 3 Dollar Tree frames that I used the airbrush marker to color. They are amazing. I mean, incredibly beautiful, and they dry very quickly. I mean, these are basically dry. And tell me what you think, you guys, because I'm enamored. Now, what I thought about doing was taking some stickers and decorating these, but I don't think they need any decoration. They're cute just the way they are. But I do want to show you how it works on the wooden stickers from Dollar Tree. Okay, these are wooden stickers from Dollar Tree, and you can, of course, leave them just the way they are, or you can give them a little of this marker airbrush. So I'm going to take one of the flip-flops and one of these. Okay, I've cut each one of these stickers off to be separated from the acetate that they're on. I'm going to take this yellow and add a little to this palm tree that's just green. So I'm going to add a little, see if it'll show up very good. And you can't really see it that well. Let's try the lighter green. I want to get some depth on this one, but it's already painted and I don't know that I can achieve that very well. So let's try it. Now this really does show up, but I don't know that I can tell because of the darkness of that one. Oh, there we go. Can't really tell. Okay, so we're going to take this one that's not painted and just give it some color. I'm going to take the yellow, and I'm painting my fingers now. Okay, so I'm going to take the yellow, I've pushed it all the way in, and I'm going to just give it some color here. And you can see how it adds the color to it. I love that. Okay, now I'm going to take these flip-flops here that are not painted, and I'm going to make them pink and green. Oh, so there's a moth inside the house. All right, here's some pink. I'm going to take these flip-flops. They are so cute. Did anyone else pick these up from Dollar Tree? Okay, here we go. And they almost look speckled on the pink. How cute. Now I want to show you, here I'll just leave the purple in there. I want to show you some paper scraps that I have that have some embossing on them. And I want to show you how well it will look with the embossed papers. And I have some larger pieces as well, so I'll show you those. Well, let's start with this one. This one is really pretty. I'm going to take this purple and then I'm going to blend in some other colors on it. Now this has a sheen on it, so it may not take as well. Okay. You can see it though. Seems to be working. Let's do the green with the purple and see how that works. And then we'll put some pink in the middle, just darker pink. Let's see. Haven't used it on this, so I don't know exactly how it works on it. But you could do all kinds of real pretty things. Now you could also paint the back. That's not painting. It's a marker airbrushing. You could also airbrush the back for the negative. And just, there we go. Okay, so this one here, you can see the different colors kind of merged. And then I just did the back. You can't really see that as well, so maybe that's not as great an idea. We'll find out. Let's try this pink on these pretty rose embossed, this rose embossed paper here. You can see. And see if it, okay, it does stand out pretty well. Let me put the yellow with it. How about orange instead? Maybe it'll look kind of coral. Let's see. Can you see that very well? Looks good. Now that's pretty. Look at that, you guys. That is very pretty. Okay, now I have a piece of white cardstock, and it's a small piece. And we are just going to take, or I am just going to take one of these stencils that I have. Let's see about the flowers. There's some flowers here. In this stencil, you can see it. I'm going to just lay them on here. All right, let's see. There we go. Now, I'm going to take the yellow and the green and the, I don't know, the orange. Let's start with orange. And just go over. The bottom. And then when you use these stencils, you can clean them with baby wipes and they just come very clean. And then we'll do the yellow. And we'll do green. Like this green. How many of you vote for pink? Okay. Since you're all voting. Okay. And then at the top, I'm going to go ahead and put a little blue, even though it goes off the top of the page. Okay. Bled a little on that. Let's do the big reveal. There we go. And look how cute that is, you guys. So cute. And I really am having a ball with this new marker airbrush. It is cordless. Again, you just plug in that USB cord that comes with it and charge it. And then you don't have to keep charging it. It's actually holding a charge really well. And I've done all these wonderful fun things with it. So I hope you enjoyed this. Again, it was really fun to do, and I love the Dollar Tree frames again. I'll show you. Okay, there they are, and they turned out so cute. So cute. And in the background is the first frame I did, and that is also a Dollar Tree frame. These are all created with the marker airbrush from We Are Memory Keepers. So lovely pieces that we did to demo tonight and just had so much fun. I love these frames. These are Dollar Tree frames, and this is how decorated with the marker airbrush. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions about it, let me know. I'll help you. I don't sell them. I'm just showing you how it works, and I am in love with it. Anyway, have a great night. Thanks for watching.